Charles Sanders Peirce was one of the founders of pragmatism and North American philosophy. What's crucial to designers and illustrators is that Peirce says nothing is a sign unless it is interpreted as a sign. Peirce states nothing is a sign unless it is interpreted as a sign. For designers and illustrators, it is that word interpreted that is going to be the linchpin to everything that we will talk about. Okay, so what does that mean? Peirce's semiosis involves the audience directly in the sign action. Designing for audiences is embedded in designing an illustrator's design process from ideation to publication. Peirce's semiosis utilizes the semiotic power between what the concept is, how you creatively represent it, that then facilitates the audience to an interpretation.